Good health starts with taking care of our bodies. Eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, staying hydrated, and getting enough rest are not luxuries. They are necessities. When we ignore our physical health, we invite problems like obesity, heart disease, diabetes, complications in pregnancies, and other illnesses. As Jim Rohn said, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Our next delegate is Aisha Mustafa from Hamdard Public School, Lahore.
Guests, and fellow students. Good afternoon. It is a privilege for me to address you today at this Children's Health Conference to discuss about WHO's topic, Healthy Beginnings, Hopeful Futures. This discussion is not just a concept, it's an ideology that shapes lives, communities, and generations to come. The famous saying goes as, health is wealth. Yet, how often do we overlook this truth? A healthy beginning is the foundation upon which a country strives. Unfortunately, there are still some places all over the world where health is not prioritized the way it should be. Even in our own country, a significant portion of the population faces limited access to healthcare, with over 50% lacking access to basic primary healthcare services. This is further exacerbated by a lack of government funding and concentration of healthcare resources in urban areas, leaving rural areas undeserved. The first years of life play a very influential role for shaping a person's future. Science and experience tells us that the first 1,000 days are critical for brain development, immunity, and lifelong health. As Roger Thoreau writes in his book, investing in maternal and child health during this window does not just help individuals, it builds stronger families, economies, and nations. Almost 44 miscarriages still occur every minute, even though the numbers have decreased somewhat from before. A significant portion of these may be linked to limited access to healthcare and unsafe practices. Neonatal disorders are also very common. However, healthy beginnings extend beyond infancy. Every stage of life presents a new opportunity, a new beginning to make better choices and invest in our future selves. So, how do we ensure that our future generations inherit a world where health is not a privilege but a right? Education is the key. To educate people about making healthy life choices and basic healthcare methods to prevent the disease even before they take root. About 26.2 million children aged 5 to 16 in Pakistan are out of school. The ratios of girls getting no education is higher than the boys. Where is it a necessity to teach young women about maternal and child health issues? True health is not just about our physical body. Our mental and emotional health also contribute a lot to it. The mental health of the upcoming generations is deteriorating rapidly due to anxiety and depression. Children are not taught to channel their feelings and emotions in a healthy way from a young age. Unemployment, health issues, poverty, homelessness, family disputes, depression, and a range of social pressures contribute to the increasing suicide rate. To solve these problems and live in a world where healthy beginnings and hopeful futures is a reality, we must act purposefully by empowering communities with health education, investing in maternal and child health, and emotional and mental well being. In closing, let us remember that a healthy beginning is not just about one person or nation, but about the whole world as a community. Even the countries that are in war zone or terrorized, where hundreds and thousands of children and adults are losing their lives every day. As individuals and community, let's commit ourselves to shape a healthier world and a hopeful tomorrow. Thank you.